Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Klaviyo and Shopify. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an age-old integration and it's a fantastic one at that. So first thing you need to do is have Klaviyo open. You also need to have Shopify open. What you want to go ahead and do in Klaviyo, go down, look for integrations on the bottom left, click on this. It'll take you to the integrations page. Quite simply, you will see all of your existing integrations. Now, click on Explore Apps. It'll take you to Klaviyo's marketplace. Go ahead and look for Shopify. It should show up in this main section over here, right? If it doesn't, you can search for it on the top over here. Let's quite simply click on Shopify. Very simple, very easy. Go ahead, click on Install. It'll open up a new window. This will be the integration, whereas you actually have to add in your store details. So here you have to provide your Shopify store URL, and it gives you the sample of how to write that out. So it's your store name.shopify, myshopify.com. So go ahead into your Shopify page over here under sales channels, go to online store, click on the little eyeball icon. This will now open up. You'll see, click on your URL, copy that, and there is your Shopify URL. Just take out the HTTPS. It says how to harbor-store.myshopify.com. There we go, done. Now we need on-site tracking. So if you want to track behavioral events, you can do so. Here you can sync your data from Shopify. You can sync your Shopify SMS subscribers to Klaviyo as well if you'd like to do so. And then you need to sync data from Klaviyo to Shopify. So you can just choose what type of data you'd like to sync. Go ahead, click on connect to Shopify. Very, very simple way of doing this. Here you'll see within Shopify, you can click on install. It will now redirect you to your page. Go ahead and now confirm your new integration. Just click on integrate. You'll see a bunch of additional details here. Give it a second to load. All right, here we go. Integration updated. Now, if you go into Klaviyo integrations on your left-hand side again, let's close up these other tabs here. Let's close this one up. We're going to be here in Shopify. Let's refresh this page. Underneath apps, you will see Klaviyo. This is now a two-way connection. Go ahead, click on here. You'll see there's Klaviyo. Click on that, it'll open Klaviyo within your Shopify store. If you go to Klaviyo and you click on integrations, you'll actually be able to see, let's go ahead, click on integrations, your integration over here with Shopify. Go ahead, click on it, you'll be able to manage that within Klaviyo. Either which way, they are synced.